Okay, the next project. Remember I mentioned in the last couple of videos that I was going to be filling this in with masonite and then putting my refineries here. Well, the piece of masonite I had only came over to about in here, so I'm going to have to get another one. So I've had to make a bigger template to fill this area in, and then once I get a chance to get some more masonite hardboard or whoever makes it these days, then I can go ahead and cut this, because I need some for fascia over there anyway. So, but that's what I'm going to be doing right now. And so anyway, I first of all took, this is some poster board that I had here. And first thing I did was I used some tracing paper my wife had. And let's see if I can get down and we'll show that to you as I walk. Sorry about swinging so wide. All right, that's this stuff. I made a template using this tracing paper first, and then transferred it to the poster board that I have. And so when I've been out here trimming it, so I know it'll fit. So once all the rain gets done, because we're having rainstorms for a change, which was really nice, overnight our brown grass turned green. So, but anyway, that's what we're doing right now. So once I get this section in place, then I can get measurements as to where the I have 3 refineries to go up there. So, but anyway, that's the next project. So anyway, wanted to let you know. Thank you. Bye.